I got the rarest one.
What? The 0.5?
Yeah, the 0.5.
Nice, we both got it.
Okay, next one. Poseidon.
Where's his garden?
I don't even know where is Lazy's garden. Nah, chipping. A fair daisy. I got a dusk pa. This is the longest video I made. Actually, no, not actually. It's 3 only. Oh, I thought this said gourmet seed pack. It's actually sprout seed pack. Sprout.
Oh, water my thing.
Just wait. I have 7 gourmet seed packs. Why do I like saying gourmet seed packs? My first was the Poseidon plant. Nice. I got Poseidon plant first try. Oh, what the flip? What is that? Yo, bro! What the hell? This guy is the flipping tallest. This guy is the tallest tall person. Bro, look! Look! Bro! Bro, it's taller than the beanstalk.
Bro, what happened, bro? Hit that, bro? Oh no! Oops! Cellphone na, bro! Cellphone. You put the cellphone, bro!
Wait, Dusk puff. What even is the dusk? Oh, it's the...
Do you water it now?
This guy can't wait!
Here.
I have a watering can. I gotta end the video here now. What?